Recently, we started noticing something interesting with our water heater. During the day, everything worked perfectly, but at night, every once in a while, we would run out of hot water. So today, I'm going to show you exactly what I found, how the solar water heater system works, and how you can fix this issue in just a few minutes. At first, we thought something was wrong with the water heater, but then we noticed a pattern. On the days when we ran out of hot water, the weather had been cloudy all day. The first thing that caught my attention was this small gray box. This is a timer for the electric heating element. Right below it, I saw a digital controller. That's when I realized this wasn't a normal water heater at all. This home is running a solar water heating system. Here's what happens during the day. The sun heats the water inside the rooftop collector. A circulating pump then moves this hot water down into the storage tank and sends cooler water back up to the roof to heat again. So, why were we losing hot water only at night? Because the backup electric heater wasn't turning on. And the reason? The timer inside the gray box was set to the wrong time. Let me show you how easy this is to fix. Inside the timer, you'll see a yellow 24-hour dial. The metal arrow stays still and the dial rotates. Our current time was 10:31, but the timer was showing 9 o'clock. You can easily move these trippers by loosening them and sliding them to any time you want. If you want your heater to run from 4 to 6 a.m., instead, just move the pins. And if you ever need more hot water on a busy day, you can manually switch the heater on using this override switch. The solar controller works using two temperature sensors, one on the rooftop collector, one inside the tank. Whenever the roof temperature is about 16 degrees higher than the tank, the pump turns on automatically. This ensures that the system only circulates water when there's free heat available from the sun. So in our case, nothing was actually broken. The system was working perfectly. We just needed to fix the timing. If you have a solar water heater and you occasionally run out of hot water at night, check your timer. And for everyone who watched till the end, remember this. The early bird may get the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. A 30-second adjustment can save you a lot of trouble.